Today we are going to make Methi Aloo Sabji of fenugreek and potatoes vegetable. We'll need mustard oil 5 to 6 tablespoons, fenugreek leaves chopped and washed 500 grams, 7 to 8 baby potatoes chopped into halves or quarters as per their size and then washed. Dhania or coriander powder 1 teaspoon, red chili powder half a teaspoon, salt 1 teaspoon, jeera or cumin seeds 1 teaspoon, half a teaspoon of haldi or turmeric powder, and mango powder half teaspoon to 3/4 of a teaspoon. This will lessen the bitterness of the fenugreek leaves. Keep the kadai or wok on full flame. Add the oil and let the oil smoke. Once the oil is smoked, add the jeera or the cumin seeds and let them sputter. Once the jeera crackles, add the methi or the fenugreek leaves. Add the potatoes, stir a few times. And now add the salt, the dhania or the coriander powder, and the red chili powder. We will add the amchur or the mango powder later on after the potatoes have softened. Add the haldi or the turmeric powder as well. Reduce the flame or the heat to low or sim and stir the vegetables thoroughly. The wok is not covered while making methi or karela because the vegetable will turn bitter. So it's always cooked on an open wok without the lid. We will check the vegetable at regular intervals till it is done, at an interval of say 3 to 4 minutes, and then stir the vegetable as well. You can see the vegetable getting cooked, it's getting darker and the water has almost evaporated, and we will check the potatoes as well as we stir the vegetables to see if they are done or not. And as you can see, the potatoes have softened a bit, but they are not yet done. Methi aloo is a very simple vegetable to prepare. You just need to keep stirring the vegetable at regular intervals. Keep the heat on low right from the start, and to keep checking the potatoes to see if they are done. That's all to it. And now the potatoes are done. They are done. So we'll add the amchur or the mango powder now. Since the amchur is sour, it hinders the cooking of the potatoes. That's why it's added when the potatoes have softened. So now we just need to dry up the methi a bit more and the vegetable will be ready. The Methi Aloo Sabji is ready. We'll transfer it to a serving bowl, and no garnishing is needed for this sabji. It can be used as a side dish to a meal. You can have it with roti, chapati, or even paratha. Do try it and give us your feedback. Please share our video and also subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.